Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a unit of a 1970 Barracuda. This comes from Mike in Modesto, California. He has requested this modern FM conversion with the Bluetooth add-on, so let's go ahead and turn this puppy on, make sure everything works before we send her back. Got her set to FM at the moment. And to save time and to avoid copyright issues, I'm just going to go through all the presets on this job.
8952 close. So when you call 833,
you guys already know that you can pick up around 30 FM stations after conversion, so I'm not going to go through the entire process of going all the way down the dial. Let's flip it over to AM, make sure we get 2 or 3 AM stations. I'm going to set it down here to save a little time. Get 2 weak ones around here. 1, 2, and we get a strong one pretty soon.
We're committed to every client, no exceptions, no excuses, giving you the best mortgage experience.
Okay, got a little,
call us today at 8338-ROCKET or go to rocketmortgage.com.
Little problem with my antenna wire coming in. Let's go back to FM. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Pop in some Neil Sedaka. Well, you know what? Let's go ahead and demonstrate the virtual fader function so that we know that's working. So first we'll check our balance control all the way right, all the way left, left. Okay, now we're going to activate the virtual front rear fader. So let's do that.
Fader adjust.
Okay, and now we're adjusting front, rear, front, rear, so we know the virtual fader works. So we'll let that time out.
Fader set.
Fader set. Okay, now let's pop in the tape. Neil Sedaka. We don't need this stuff anymore. Neil Sedaka. Change tracks a bunch of times.
You can be.
Okay, pull it, eject. Okay, tape ejects. Okay, last thing to check. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We do that by giving the volume control 2 turns to the upwards.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair. So it's trying to pair now. Of course, I don't go to all the time to pair it with a device and play it on these demonstration videos. And in about 90 seconds, this lady will come back on saying pairing not completed. While we're waiting for that, let's go ahead and check the aux input. And I already have. I'm just using an 8-track deck for that, so we'll just make sure that that comes through. Okay, same deal there. Okay, now I'm going to remove the tape, and it'll be a 20-second delay after using the aux input before the radio comes back by itself. If you don't like that delay, just turn the radio off and then right back on. It'll come right back on. But I like to wait until the delay times out just to make sure that's working. So we'll just give that about another 10 seconds to make sure the radio comes back, and that will show that the radio is complete. Okay, there's our radio back. All right, and there's only one more thing to check. That's the dial light, and that is working. You'll just have to take my word for it, because it can barely be seen. Alrighty, so that takes care of that. I don't know what happened to my my lighting there, but I'm not going to worry too much about it just yet. I'm going to go back to me. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you just seen what I can do to a classic car AM radio. We can add FM, Bluetooth, USB reader, in some cases HD radio, depending on the unit. And my phone number, and this is for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. This is not for people looking for parts or belts. I don't get into all that stuff. I'm strictly a repairman. My number is 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.